is a beautiful village situated in the Tiswadi taluka of Goa. From Pilar, Neora village is 3.4 kilometers away. Further, Neora is divided into two, Neora O Grande and Neora O Pequeno. Neora has a 7-ward village panchayat and we were allotted two wards, namely Vadabat and Igrasvado. The ward of Vadabat, one can see beautiful temple known as the Mahalakshmi temple, and mostly there are Hindu houses in the ward. The word Vadabat is derived from the banyan tree. People say that because there are too many banyan trees in that area.
पालखी आणि दुसरे दिसा दोन नाटकां जातात. मागीर पयली दिसा दिवजा, मागीर रातची पालखी जाता. पयलीं जाणटेल्यांनी 1965 हे जालें तें. मागीर परतून मोडून मागीर परतून न्याय बांदलें. 15 वर्सां 15 वर्सांतले मोडून.
The temple of Ravalnath was destroyed by the Portuguese, and now one can see the church that was built in the year in 1541, known as the Church of Saint John the Evangelist.
It was established in the year 1542. It was built by the Gaunkas, who were Hindus and became Christians. When they became Christians, they demolished that temple which was there. The temple was dedicated to Bindu Mahadev, and with that material, with that riches of the temple, and with their own contribution, they built this church. And those Hindus who did not want to become Christians, they fled to Madkai along with their god, Bindu Mahadev. So there is a temple of Bindu Mahadev in Madkai. Is feast of the patron, Saint John the Evangelist, 27 December. There is another feast also celebrated in a most solemn way. Our Lady of the Sick. Our Lady of the Sick. Feast was celebrated because here there was sickness, epidemic earlier.
The feast of Saint John the Evangelist is celebrated on 27 December of every year. In front of the church, there is a rectangular stepped basin where Saint John is celebrated in a most traditional way. It is watered by a spring that once provided the villagers clear water to drink and bathe in. Unfortunately, the water is no longer usable as the tank is no longer maintained. Many residents lament that pisciculture adopted by a few people has destroyed agriculture in the village. Almost all famed agricultural fields have got completely destroyed due to illegalities and unlawful fishing activities. There is also a school situated in the area known as Government Primary School. People living in this area live in peace and harmony. It is the best place one can visit.